Welcome to Blossom. In this video, you will learn about Workspace's administration options. In the Management section, there are multiple actions that may be done with Workspaces. In order to access them, go to the Management tab, click on Groups, and you will see them on the right side of the screen. If you want to allocate managers to the Workspaces, please check the relevant Workspaces and click on Assign Managers. Note that you can assign several managers to several workspaces, each with different permissions. In the following window, choose the manager and the predefined permission type from the drop-down menu. You can also assign permissions individually regardless of existing presets, such as create assignments and its weight, create meetings, or just edit them, or set an attendance, share content, or simply general permission, which allows enabling group tabs. These permissions will be explained in details in another tutorial. If a workspace is not in use anymore, you can archive it and it will not be seen in the Groups table. Remember to deactivate the group prior to this action. Check the relevant workspaces and click Move to Archive button. This action affects only the groups list. You will still see the archived groups in the reports. In order to see the archived workspaces, click the filter icon and check the Show Archive box. If you need to unarchive them, check the relevant workspaces and click Unarchive button. The system allows to filter workspaces by different parameters. For example, you can search a workspace by ID, name, description, classification, and manager. You can choose to include public groups, meaning workspaces with shared ownership that allows any person with workspace owner permission to edit workspaces. You can also exclude workspaces with expired due dates by checking the Exclude Old Groups checkbox. There's an option of advanced filtering allowing to add multiple rules of filtering. Click the Add Rule List option, and then add relevant rules from the drop-down list of parameters. You can define needed operators for the parameters, such as and, or, and not. For example, if you choose AND operator for rules A and B, the system will show only those workspaces which meet both of the requirements. The system allows to create and edit workspaces in bulk, from a CSV or Excel file. This option explained in details in another tutorial. If you want to give course functions to the workspace, such as passing score, diploma, etc., check the relevant workspace and click Set as Course. There's a handy option of updating several workspaces in a quick way. Check the relevant workspaces and click the Update button. In the pop-up window, you can update features such as status, location, classification, estimated budget, and even custom fields. If workspaces have activity dates, you will see them in a calendar view as well. Click the yearly calendar icon, and they will be shown in calendar events in annual view. If you want to delete a workspace, check the relevant workspace and click Delete Item. Note that deleted workspaces cannot be restored like users. If you want to add additional columns to the workspaces table, you can choose relevant parameters from the list of fields. The system allows to export the list of existing workspaces to different formats, such as Excel, PDF, and CSV. If you have added additional columns to the Workspaces table, they will be exported as well. There are also shortcuts right from here to the Workspaces page, and to status and usage reports. The system allows to create classifications for workspaces. It may be useful for better workspaces management, registration limits, categorization, searching, and filtering in various reports. The classification can be created only by a Power Manager in the Management area under Domain Management. On the Classifications page, you can add a new classification, and edit the existing ones. In this video, you have learned about Workspace's administration options. So, welcome to Blossom!